Where are you going?
This is massive, massive, massive. This is massive. This is massive, guys. You can see that. This is massive, guys. This is the Terminal 1. And if you want to go to the Terminal 2, you will have to pass through this pedestrian bridge. The terminal, bus terminal with a pedestrian bridge. Man, shout out to the Oyo State government, to the Oyo State governor on this wonderful project. So this is the bus terminal. You can see people are moving. Ibadan is moving now. People are really glad. You can see the smiles on the people's faces. You can see. Well organized. So guys, you can see we are walking on the pedestrian bridge right now. Walking on this pedestrian bridge. So I can go to the bus terminal 2 right there. That is the bus terminal 2 right there. So you have to take no, just this is not my first time here. Yeah, no problem. No problem. So guys, let's keep on going. That guy was in. Who is he talking to? Okay, let's keep it moving. So you can see we are currently here on the pedestrian bridge, Road bus terminal. Actually now it is named Ibadan Central Terminal. The Central Bus Terminal. This is the name given to the terminal, and it's in the heart of Ibadan, Road. As you can see, guys. Let's keep on going. This is a walk tour around the place, and I'm crossing this bridge, this pedestrian bridge, so we can go to the second terminal right there, guys. Let's keep on moving. So guys, if you like what you've seen so far, hit that tap that like button, guys. Leave a like on this video, guys. Let's keep on going, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys, so you can stay notified whenever I drop more videos about this, guys. Look at that. Let's keep on going. What's up? How are you? Say hello. So guys, this is the Terminal 2. Just about to enter into the Terminal 2. Right here. See guys, this is a massive project. And the Oyo State government. Oh, there guys. So let's keep on going, let's keep on going. This is brand new. Yeah, no problem, my friend. Watching the video. I hope you will like this video and share with your friend, guys. Thanks so much. Yeah, ultra large modern bus terminal, guys. So guys, I'm about to head out of the gates, of the second gate here. Terminal gate. I hope you like what you see, guys. Give you a thumbs up if you enjoy and stay subscribed to the channel. Peace and love.